welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is Apple Watch SE series. This watch just only this year introducing, and today I am purchasing this one. Why I am purchasing this one? Because of I gifted my wife New Year gift, so that perspective I am purchasing this one. We will see detailed demonstration, unboxing, as well as how I configure her mobile with SE series Apple Watch. So let's start as a demonstration. The Apple Watch price here around 3,599 Danish krone. Look at this. I ordered the classic belt. Look at this. This year they are changing everything. Now I just simply open the sticker like this. Boom. This is a 40 mm watch. Here we receive C-type charging cable. It's easy if you have latest iPhone, so this one is very handy, as you can very easily fix of any Mac devices. And this is our product. Okay, I just simply put it here and let's see. Look at this, Apple logo is on. Now this is a belt of Apple Watch. Okay, you can remove from here like this, and after that here on the belt okay, it's very easy. I have already Apple Watch, but we can fix this one like this, like this. Now again this side like this. It's very easy, compact, small Apple Watch, 40 mm. This one is a 42 mm. I'm purchasing this one specially on my wife, so the size is little small for my hand. I just simply open it.
Now let's start how to pair and set up your Apple Watch with your iPhone. First of all, you charge 100% your Apple Watch and then turn it on your Apple Watch. Then hold your iPhone close to your Apple Watch. If your iPhone is close in your Apple Watch, suddenly message appear in your iPhone, then tap continue. If this is your Apple Watch, so set up myself or tap set up a family member. Using the camera on your iPhone, your Apple Watch is automatically generate one QR code, and you can use this QR code in your iPhone and hold Apple Watch on the iPhone camera like this, and you can do this process around half minute, and automatically your Apple Watch is pair in your iPhone, that you can tap set up a new Apple Watch. If you already old Apple Watch, so you can restore Apple Watch old one to new one. Choose your wrist preference, then tap continue, and after that to review terms and condition and then accept, and keep the following step. Begin. Your Apple Watch is synchronizing all data your iPhone to Apple Watch. Make sure your iPhone is close to your Apple Watch. Take around 10 minutes, and after that your watch face is turn it on in your Apple Watch. Now your Apple Watch is 100% set up and ready to go.
If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.